Assalamu alaikum and adab. I welcome to you all to my new English class, and this lesson will be very helpful for the student of class 8 and class 10. Today we're going to learn how to convert an assertive sentence into exclamative sentence without changing the meaning of the sentence. If we can able to understand just 3 rules of assertive sentence, then it would be very easier for us to solve this type of questions. Here I have written the first rule: LPS after verb plus FPS with verb plus, then we should put an exclamation sign. Here LPS, that's mean last part of the sentence, and FPS, that's mean first part of the sentence. So the first rule is last part of the sentence after verb plus first part of the sentence with verb, then we should put an exclamation sign. And if any sentence is given with an adverb like very, great, or huge, we should add how. And also similarly, if any sentence is started with an article a or n, then an adverb very or great, we should add firstly what, then article a or n. And most important rules is, if any sentence is ended with a prepositional phrase, and then that prepositional phrase will be used after verb. Please remember it. Let's learn how to convert an assertive sentence into exclamative sentence. Here I have written some sentences. The first sentence is, the scenery of Manu River is very charming. Firstly, we have to identify the verb. Here verb is. So this sentence is formed an assertive rules because of, firstly, the scenery of Manu River is subject, and then verb is, and then other parts of the sentence, that is object. So definitely it's an assertive sentence. So according to our rules, firstly, last part of the sentence after verb, that's mean here verb is, so last part of the sentence of this sentence, very charming. So here is given an adverb very. So very, if any sentence is given with an adverb very, we should add how. So for very, we have written here how, and last part charming, we have written also charming. So we have done last part of the sentence very charming, that's mean how charming. And the first part of the sentence is, the scenery of Manu River is. So we have written here, the scenery of Manu River is. We are going to discuss about the second sentence. The second sentence is, Mr. Jamal leads a miserable life. Here the verb is leads. So after verb, the last part is a miserable life, and this sentence has been started with an article a. So for article a or n, we should add what firstly. So we have written here what, and then last part of the sentence is a miserable life, what, and then a miserable life, and last part of the sentence with verb is Mr. Jamal leads, and we have put here Mr. Jamal leads, and that's end. So the last sentence with prepositional phrase we are going to discuss. This sentence is, I was very glad to see the sea beach. Here this sentence has been ended with a prepositional phrase, to see the sea beach. So no need to take any tension for this sentence, because of we have learned this type of sentence before. If any sentence is given with prepositional phrase, and this prepositional phrase will be used after verb. So here firstly the verb is was, and last part's very glad. So very, that's mean we have to bring how. So how we have put here how, and then last part glad. So glad, and the first part with verb I was, and these prepositional phrase will be remained at the same position, and we kept here at the same position this part, to see the sea beach. And that's end today's class.